Have you ever wondered why so many successful people swear by meditation and how it relates to wealth creation? Let's dive into this intriguing correlation. When we think of wealth, we often picture stacks of money, luxury cars, and lavish lifestyles. But wealth, in its broadest sense, is about abundance, and that includes an abundance of peace, clarity, and focus. And that's where meditation comes into play. Imagine your mind as a vast, turbulent ocean. Waves of thoughts, worries, and distractions constantly crash against each other, creating chaos and confusion. This is the state of many minds in today's fast-paced, information-overloaded world. Now imagine calming those waves, transforming that turbulent ocean into a serene lake. This is the power of meditation. It calms the mind, clears the fog of unnecessary thoughts, and brings about a state of mental tranquility. But how does a calm mind relate to wealth creation? Well, think of it this way. The decisions we make, big or small, shape our financial future. And to make sound decisions, we need a clear, focused mind. We need to be able to cut through the noise, weed out the irrelevant, and focus on what truly matters. Many successful individuals attribute their wealth to their ability to make wise decisions. And this wisdom often stems from mental clarity and focus, which are enhanced by meditation. Take, for instance, Ray Dalio, one of the world's most successful investors. He has often spoken about the role of meditation in his decision-making process. So, wealth creation isn't just about working harder or smarter, it's also about cultivating a state of mind that is conducive to clear thinking and wise decision-making. It's about recognizing that our mental state directly impacts our financial state. And this recognition is the first step towards creating wealth in all aspects of our lives. Understanding the connection between a calm mind and financial success is the first step towards achieving both. So let's embark on this journey together, exploring the power of meditation and the potential for wealth creation. Stay tuned for more insights in the upcoming scenes. Now, how does one start to meditate? It's simpler than you might think. Meditation, in its purest form, is the practice of focusing your mind, calming your senses, and achieving a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. It's like hitting the pause button in the middle of a hectic day and taking a moment to just be. But what does meditation actually do? Well, it has a whole host of benefits. For starters, meditation can drastically improve your focus. It's like doing a workout for your brain. By consistently practicing meditation, you're training your mind to concentrate better, which can help you in so many areas of your life. And let's not forget about stress. In today's fast-paced world, stress seems to be an inevitable part of life, but with meditation, you can actually reduce your stress levels. It's like having a personal stress relief button that you can press anytime you need it. Moreover, meditation can significantly boost your emotional health. It encourages self-awareness, promoting a better understanding of yourself and fostering a stronger relationship with your own mind. This can lead to increased confidence, better decision-making skills, and a more positive outlook on life. So, how do you get started? It's actually quite simple. First, find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Then, sit in a position that feels comfortable for you. You can sit on a chair, lie down, or even sit cross-legged on the floor. Next, close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a few seconds, then slowly let it out. Repeat this a few times and feel your body start to relax. Finally, focus your attention on your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just gently bring your focus back to your breath. Remember, meditation is not about achieving a perfect state of relaxation. It's about the journey, about learning to be present in the moment, and about fostering a better relationship with your own mind. Remember, meditation is not about perfection. It's about progress and personal growth. With a calm mind for meditation, let's move on to wealth creation. But what does that mean exactly? Wealth creation is the process of generating assets or resources that contribute to one's wealth. It's about more than just making money. It involves building multiple streams of income and growing your net worth over time. Wealth creation is about financial freedom, security, and the ability to live life on your own terms. But why is wealth creation important? Well, it's about more than just having a lot of money. Wealth creation is a way to ensure that you and your loved ones are provided for, not just now, but in the future. It's about having the resources to invest in your dreams, whether that's starting a business, buying a home, or traveling the world. And it's about giving back, being able to support the causes and communities that matter to you. Wealth creation is also about resilience. In a world of uncertainty, having wealth can provide a buffer against financial shocks, whether that's a job loss, a medical emergency, or a global pandemic. It's about having the financial flexibility to adapt and thrive in changing circumstances. So how does one create wealth? There are many paths to wealth creation, each with its own opportunities and challenges. Entrepreneurship is one path, turning an idea into a profitable business. Investing is another, whether that's investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even your own education. And then there's savings, the slow and steady accumulation of wealth over time. Each of these paths has its own risks and rewards, and what works for one person might not work for another. The key is to find the path that aligns with your skills, interests, and financial goals. Wealth creation is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, discipline, and a clear mind. It's about making strategic decisions, taking calculated risks, and learning from your mistakes. And most importantly, it's about staying the course, even when the path gets rocky. Because in the end, wealth is not just about money, it's about freedom, security, and the ability to live life on your own terms. Wealth creation is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, discipline, and a clear mind. Knowing the paths to wealth creation is one thing, but how do you start walking those paths? Let's delve into the steps to take on this journey. The first step is setting financial goals. These are the landmarks on your wealth creation map. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve financially in the short term, the medium term, and the long term? It could be anything from buying a house, to retiring comfortably, to leaving a legacy for your family. Once you have a clear idea of your goals, it's easier to plan your journey. Next, create a budget. This is your financial compass guiding you towards your goals. Track your income and expenses. Understand where your money goes and where you can make savings. By sticking to a budget, you ensure that your money works for you and not the other way around. Now on to the third step, saving. Think of savings as your emergency fund, your safety net. Life is unpredictable, and having a nest egg can provide a buffer against financial shocks. Try to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This may seem daunting, but start small and gradually increase your savings. The fourth step is investing. Investing is like planting a seed and watching it grow. It's about making your money work for you. There are numerous investment vehicles: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, to name a few. Do your research, understand the risks, and choose what works best for you. Finally, continuously educate yourself about finance. Knowledge is power. The more you learn, the better your financial decisions will be. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and never stop learning. Remember, the journey to wealth creation is a marathon, not a sprint. Each step you take gets you closer to your financial goals. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about building a secure financial future. So take your time, make informed decisions, and embark on this exciting journey to wealth creation. So, what have we learned today? We've looked at the interconnection between meditation and wealth creation, and how they can be two sides of the same coin. Meditation, as we've seen, is not just about tranquility or peace of mind. It's about cultivating mental clarity and focus, which are critical elements for success in any aspect of life, including wealth creation. We've learned that meditation is a practice, a journey of self-discovery and mindfulness. It's about being present, being aware, and being in control. It's about training your mind to navigate through the chaos and distractions of life, to find the calm within the storm. And this calm, this clarity, can be the foundation for making sound decisions, for spotting opportunities, and for taking calculated risks, all of which are fundamental to creating wealth. We've also explored the concept of wealth creation, the process of generating income through smart and strategic investments, and the importance of financial literacy. We've learned that creating wealth is not about getting rich quick. It's about patience, persistence, and discipline. It's about understanding the market, knowing your strengths and weaknesses, and being willing to learn and adapt. We've discussed some basic steps to start your journey towards wealth creation. These include setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, investing wisely, and continuously educating yourself about financial matters. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. The key is to start small and gradually build up your financial portfolio. But what's most important is the synergy between meditation and wealth creation. The mental clarity and focus gained from meditation can empower you to make wise financial decisions. It's about harmonizing the mind and the wallet to create a life of abundance and prosperity. So let's take these lessons to heart. Let's start meditating. Let's start creating wealth, because with meditation and strategic wealth creation, you are setting yourself up for a life of clarity, focus, and financial freedom.